Hey friends, it's me Animal, and I'm down here at the U.S. Capitol, and I'm here for the big rally. They say it's going to happen at 1 o'clock, so let's go down and see, because we're rallying against all those people saying animals shouldn't have rights, and I know we animals should have rights. Ooh, it's kind of windy down here. I hope that there's a big turnout today. Ooh, I'm ready to march. Protest, let's protest, let's take the streets. Wait, there's no one here. No one's here. What are we going to do? How do we rally if no one's here? Write your congressman, write your senators, write the president.